Are you absolutely fed up with dating app subscriptions costing a fortune in 2025? Discover the best free dating apps that are genuinely worth your precious time, proving you absolutely don't need to shell out hundreds to find a genuine connection, a casual fling, or anything in between. This ultimate guide dives deep into platforms that astonishingly let you match, chat, and meet a partner without any upfront cash whatsoever. Forget those shocking premium subscriptions demanding car payment level fees. We're showcasing 5 incredible options with robust free tiers that truly compete with and even outperform many paid services. It's time to take control of your dating life and find surprising success. Stop waiting around and start connecting with amazing people. Check out the links in the video description below to download these game-changing apps right now. Number 1. Tinder, still an absolute powerhouse, remains a top pick for finding hookups and quick connections, with its free tier consistently delivering surprising results for millions worldwide. Number 2. OkCupid truly stands out with its incredibly detailed profiles and powerful matching algorithm, perfect for those seeking deeper, meaningful connections without ever touching your wallet. You'll be amazed by the quality of matches you can find for free. Number 3. Hinge is your absolute go-to for fostering more serious relationships and regular meetups, incredibly offering many popular features completely free, making it a budget dater's dream come true. Number 4. Bumble is dramatically shaking up the dating scene by reportedly killing its iconic swipe feature, promising revolutionary new ways to connect without paying a single dime for premium access. This change is massive. Number 5. AdultFriendFinder, a consistent reader favorite, offers a completely free gateway to exciting casual connections, proving you can find fun and companionship without ever breaking the bank. These top free dating apps truly revolutionize how you meet people in 2025, demonstrating that genuine connections and thrilling encounters are within reach, absolutely free, even for the most skeptical daters. Don't miss out on trying these surprising and incredibly effective platforms before everyone else discovers them.